Hi there, students. A godsend. A godsend. Okay, a godsend is something that is really useful. Something very often that happens just at the right moment when you need it. So, a helpful event or a valuable event or a person or an important article just at the right time, a boon, a blessing, a benefit. Yeah, computers have been a godsend to teachers. They've made life a lot easier. Okay, so a godsend, something that's really desirable, something that's needed. So it hadn't rained for ages, and the rain today is a godsend for farmers whose fields are just drying out completely. This new assistant that I've got is a godsend. Yeah, this is emphasizing that he helps very much, something that's very useful. Um, if you don't want to go to the doctor, to go and see the pharmacist and get something is a godsend. So like that, the pharmacist, the chemist, can be a real godsend. So a person or a thing that is particularly welcome, particularly useful, and usually it's something unexpected. It's as if it was sent by God. So it's the right thing that appears at an opportune moment. It's just the perfect thing at the perfect time. So I don't know. Yes, having a penknife in your pocket at times can be a godsend. Most of the time you don't need it, but when you do, it's a real godsend. It's just really useful. Okay, so something good that happens unexpectedly, something at a time when it's really needed. So the money that my uncle sent me was a godsend because I was absolutely broke and I was wondering what I was going to eat next week. Okay, so it's something that's really useful as well. Yeah. So this extra time that I get to prepare lessons is a real godsend. Because if I have all my lessons in a row, it's very difficult to find time to actually prepare them all. Yeah. So something that's a godsend, something that's wanted, it's needed, it comes perhaps unexpectedly. So it's a bonanza, it's a windfall. It's a boon, a blessing, a benefit, an asset, something that it falls from the sky and it helps you. So it's like God knows that you really need this, and God sends it to you. Okay, so a godsend, something that's really useful. I hope these videos that I make are a godsend for your English. Something that is totally invaluable, an inspiration, something that is excellent. It helps you with the right thing at the right time. Okay, so the this new method of doing things is a godsend. It makes things just so much easier. So let's see, formality, a godsend. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing. I think I might stay away from using it very formally. And as to origin, there's a Middle English phrase, Godsend or Godsend, God's message. And this is like a message from God to say, it's okay, I'm looking after you. Yeah, a godsend. It's as if something has been sent by God for your benefit. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A godsend. Something is a godsend.